We are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 1. We're on the part of the project called Slide 7. So we're going to begin on the 7th slide. What it wants us to do on this task is to go ahead and make some changes to the Smart Art. So we'll go ahead and put our cursor here by clicking. With that selected, we have the Smart Art Tools Design tab here at the top. The first thing it wants us to do is to go ahead and change the color in the Smart Art. So we're in the Smart Art Styles group. We're in the Change Colors. We're looking for Colored Filled. Accent 4. We'll go ahead and select this. The next thing it wants us to do is to add a third circle. So to do that, there are a few ways to do this, but the easiest way is to probably click this text pane pop out. And we'll put our cursor here at the last bullet and then hit enter. And then we'll go ahead and type a better world. Make sure you capitalize all the words. It tells us to go ahead and change the size of the Smart Art, both the height and the width. We'll close out of this text pane here. What I want to do is just make sure that I don't have any individual element selected before I make these changes. So we'll put our cursor here and click. And then we're going to go to the Smart Art Tools Format tab, and we'll go ahead and make these changes. And the final thing it wants us to do is to go ahead and apply the bird's eye scene. So we'll go back to the Design tab here at the top. And in the Smart Art Styles group, we'll click this drop down. And we'll go ahead and select Bird Eye Scene. And we'll go ahead and check that we completed the task.